Hi guys, it's me Naomi, and today I will be making brownies with the chewy fudge brownie mix. So I already put the mix in it, and now I'm going to be cracking my eggs and putting them in. Put my eggs in, and now I am going to get 1/4 cup of water. So I got my 1/4 cup of water, and now I have to somehow get 1/2 cup of oil. So yeah, I'm gonna get my test. So I got the oil and I'm gonna pour it in. So now I am gonna add an extra and add some chocolate syrup in. So I am done pouring all the chocolate syrup in. I think that's the last of this chocolate syrup. So now I'm gonna mix it. So I got the cooking spray and I am gonna spray my pan. So, yeah. I'm pouring the batter in. Okay, so I got all of the brownie mix, well, almost all of the brownie mix in the pan, so now I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven. I have to.